the summer light, barefoot dreams in the middle of the night. Thought the world would stay the way it was, just you and me in a sky full of stars. Now the seasons turn and the leaves let go. Funny how fast the years can flow, but every memory still shines bright, like a little spark in the fading light. I still hear your laughter in the wind, like a song that never really ends. Even though we're miles apart, you'll always have a place inside my heart. Sunlight after rain, I can feel it now. Every broken cloud is clearing somehow. Though I miss the days that slipped away, I know tomorrow's gonna find a way. Sunlight after rain, shining through the gray. Every little step brings a brighter day. I'll carry the love and let go of the pain, finding who I am in the sunlight after rain. Pictures faded but the feeling stays, living in the corners of my days. Every road we took, every word we said, still echoes softly inside my head. But I'm